Good morning, dear children. Let us have some revision of first chapter of chemistry of 11th. Question is, what is the mass of a molecule of carbon 14 dioxide? You understood beta? Carbon 14 any 14 isotope of carbon है ना, C14 of CO2. ठीक है. So how we will calculate? First we will calculate its molar mass. So molar mass is equal to carbon 14, usually we write 12, but here we will write 14 plus 16 to the 32. So it will become 46. Okay, so 46 gram per mole. This is the molar mass. After calculating this, we will understand that in 1 mole, how many molecules are there? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Correct? Therefore, we will write here 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules is equal to 46 gram. Both are equal. Therefore, 1 molecule, how much? So 46 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So when you will divide, it will become 7.64 into 10 raised to power minus, this 23 will go up, so it will become minus 23 gram. This will be the answer. Second question is, one boy drinks 500 ml of 9% glucose solution. 9% you understood beta? 9% yani if we talk about 100 gram, so 9 gram glucose and rest is water. The number of glucose molecules he has consumed are, so we have to calculate the number of glucose molecules. Let us see how we will calculate. First we will calculate the molar mass of glucose is equal to C6H12O6. When you will calculate 12 6 are 72 plus 12 plus 16 6 are 96, so is equal to 180 gram per mole. This is its molar mass. Now in 100 gram, 9 gram is there, so we will write here in W by V करें तो in 100 ml 9 gram glucose. Therefore, in 500 ml, how much? So 500 into 9 divided by 100, 45 gram glucose. यानी ग्लूकोज कितना हो गया इसमें? 45 ग्राम. करेक्ट? 500 ml में 45 ग्राम ग्लूकोज है. So number of molecules we have to find out. So number of molecules in 1 mole कितना होता है बेटा? In 180 gram यानी 1 mole of glucose 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. ठीक है. Therefore हमारे पास कितने ग्राम्स हैं? 45 grams. So 45 gram of glucose will contain how much? We will write here 45 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 180. So 45 4 ja. Okay. So answer will be here, when you will divide it will become 1.5, 61022 divided by 4. So 1.5 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So answer will be he has consumed 1.5 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Next question is calculate molality. Beta, all these things we will need in 12. So see it sincerely. molality of a solution in which 0.52 moles of a solute are dissolved in 500 gram of water. Therefore, we will write the formula molality is equal to number of moles divided by mass of solvent in kg. All these things you have to keep in mind. Solvent in kg. So what is the number of moles? It is given already 0.52. So 0.52 divided by solvent in kg, and 500 gram is given. So let us convert it in kg. So 500 2 ja, you will write here 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 1.04 molality. Molality will be 1.04. Understood? It is so easy. Next is find the molality of a solution in which 36 gram glucose is dissolved in 250 gram of water. So it is also the same question. We will write formula of molality is equal to moles. So for moles, what we will write? Mass of solute divided by molar mass into mass of solvent in kg. Same formula बेटा, यही तो number of moles है ना. So mass of solvent in kg. What is mass of solute given beta? Mass of solute is 36 gram. So 36 divided by molecular mass is 180. Right now we have calculated into mass of solvent 250. So 250, let us convert it in kg, 1000. Now 250 4 ja and 36 5 ja. So it is 4 upon 5. So 0.8 molar. Answer is 0.8 molar. Correct? Molality of 90% by volume H2SO4. 90% है नहीं बेटा, 90 ग्राम. ठीक है, 90% यानी क्या? 90 ग्राम, because solution is 90% W by V. So we will write here 90% is equal to 90 gram H2SO4. ठीक है, 90% कैसा है बेटा? W by V. So 90 gram H2SO4. We have seen this. Now if 100 ml of solution is there, 100 ml solution is there, then D is equal to M by V, M upon V, we all know. So D is equal to M upon V. Therefore M is equal to D into V. What is our D? 1.98. What is our V? V given is 100 लिया है हमने. So 100 ml, 100 into 19800, 198. So mass is 198 gram. Correct? Therefore mass of water is equal to total 198 है, उसमें से 90 ग्राम is H2SO4. So when you will minus do the 108, correct? So mass of water is 108 gram. This we have already calculated. So calculate the molality. Molality is equal to 90 gram divided by H2SO4 molar mass is 98. यहाँ लिख देना molar mass of H2SO4 is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98 gram per mole. So here we will write 90 upon 98 into mass of solvent in kg. So what is our mass of solvent? 108. Right now we have calculated solvent is 108 gram. So into kg 1000. When you will divide children, it will give you, let me divide, it will give you 8.5 molar. is it? Then comes next question is commercially available concentrated HCl contains 30% HCl by mass. Okay, 30% again you understood, 38 gram HCl. So what is the molality, this time molarity of solution if density is given 1.19 gram. So for what we will do here, children, first we will calculate volume of 100 gram HCl is equal to volume. How we will calculate? Same formula, D is equal to M upon V. So volume is equal to M upon D. M, what is the M? 100. What is the D? Density given 1.19. When you will divide, it will become 84.03 cm cube. 84.03 cm cube. Now 1 cm cube is equal to, what is the relation between cm cube and liter? So 1 cm cube is equal to 1 ml. So 84.03 cm cube is equal to 84.03 ml. Let us convert this ml into liter. So is equal to 84.03 divided by 1000. Then it will be converted into liter. So 3 and 2 5. So 0.08403 liter. This we have calculated the volume, liter it came. Now molar mass of HCl is, molar mass of HCl is equal to 1 plus 35.5 is equal to 36.5 gram per mole. This we have calculated. Then comes moles of HCl is equal to mass given of HCl is 38 divided by 36.5. From where 38 came? In the question only it is written 38% HCl. So 38 divided by 36.5, it will give you near about 1.04 moles. After calculating this, we will write here molarity. So molarity is equal to, we will write here कितने मोल्स है हमारे पास 1.04 डिवाइडेड बाय कितने लीटर है 0.084. You divide this and you will get the figure 12.38 moles per liter. This will be the answer. This is the molarity, mole per liter. Correct? Next part of the revision we will continue in the next class. You revise this and solve the questions which you are getting in another reference book. Thank you.